What's up everybody, it's your boy BlazinTom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gdax to buy your 4 major currencies, which are Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and use it to convert it over to your current exchange market like Binance, so that way you're paying less fees instead of going through Coinbase. Check it out.
Easy go.
If you already have a Coinbase profile, it does go hand in hand with Gdax, since Gdax operate under Coinbase. So I'm going to go to gdax.com. I'm going to hit deposit. When you select your bank account, it should already appear since it's under Coinbase. And when you type in the amount, $50. When you look at the processing time, bank account typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Some can take 7 to 10 business days. By doing it this way, you are paying 0 fees by moving your checking account and depositing funds onto Gdax because you're using the United States dollar, which is no fees at all. When you deposit $50, it will show on your USD dollar screen here. And now we're going to buy Litecoin. When you click market, you're going to select $50. It will tell you $50 in American dollars converted to Litecoin 0.203652226, and when you hit place buy order, it will immediately show on your Litecoin balance of 0.2036. So now you want to go to your current exchange market that you use. The one I use is Binance for this example. I'm going to go to funds, deposit, withdrawals, and you're going to type in Litecoin, which is LTC. You want to hit deposit because you're going from Gdax, Litecoin, and you're going to move it over to Binance. So you want to copy over the address. Go over to Gdax, select withdrawal, go to Litecoin address, paste it in here, type in $50, and then you will hit get code, which they will send a 6-digit code to your smartphone, so make sure you enter that in correctly. And then once you withdraw your funds, give about like 2 to 15 minutes for the funds to go into Binance. And once that sets in, you will go back again, hit refresh, and your available balance for Litecoin should go up here. And then from there, you just want to go to exchange, basic, buy whatever you want to buy through Litecoin. But obviously for this example here, you can want to buy it through Ethereum or Bitcoin. So what you want to do, if you convert over Litecoin to Binance, is you just want to pretty much sell your Litecoin so that way someone can buy it, and once someone buys your order, your Litecoin will be converted over to Ethereum or to Bitcoin, so that way you can start buying your coins that you want through Binance. So by using Gdax, you are paying less fees, because the first time I started out, I didn't know about Gdax, and I was paying close to $40 in fees. So hopefully this video can help you out into your cryptocurrency investment. Stay tuned for the next video. See ya!